In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to limit quantity on Shopify tutorial. By the end, you'll know exactly how to cap how many units of a product your store can sell by using Shopify's built-in inventory controls, so you don't accidentally oversell. First, open your Shopify store admin and sign in. From the main dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click Products. This is where all of your items live, and it's the hub for anything related to what you sell. Next, click Inventory. This view is helpful because it shows your stock levels across products and variants in one place. From here, choose the item you want to control and go to that product's page. If your product has variants, you'll repeat the same process for each variant you want to limit. On the product page, scroll to the section labeled Inventory. This section controls how Shopify tracks and enforces stock. Make sure the option labeled Track Quantity is checked. Turning this on tells Shopify to monitor the number of units you have and stop sales when you run out. If this box isn't checked, Shopify won't pay attention to your stock levels and your limit won't be enforced. With Track Quantity on, look for the Available field. This is where you set the number of units you want to make available for sale. Enter the exact quantity you want to allow. For example, if you only want to sell 25 units, type 25 in the Available field. If you see multiple locations listed, set the available number for the location you actually ship from, so your limit applies in the right place. After you've updated the available number, click Save. Saving applies your changes and updates your storefront, so customers can only purchase up to the amount you set. If you ever need to adjust the limit, you can come back to the same product, modify the available number, and save again. A quick note on how this works in practice. By enabling Track Quantity and setting the available amount, you're limiting the total number of units your store can sell. Once that available amount reaches 0 through orders, the product will no longer be purchasable unless you add more units and save. That's it. Open your Shopify admin, click Products, go to Inventory, open the product, turn on Track Quantity, set the available number, and save. This simple setup protects you from overselling and keeps your customers' shopping experience smooth. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your store.